In front of me is Realme GT 60 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then select keyboard and input method, manage keywords, and keyboard. Following that, after tapping on text correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!